shit! God damn it! You good?
Yeah, oh shit, that's a ram. Black.
He wants to go! He wants to go! Shit! 671, shots are fired. We need more cover.
He's still just sitting by himself. Looks like he's on the phone. It is running though. Are they running? Do y'all want me to pull out ahead of y'all? You got a little more block as I pull in behind him or just follow behind?
We don't have time. We're coming in hot now.
Hold on. I got mine out. I'd say fall in behind him so that way he can't hit the go into reverse and go over that hump. We're pulling on that. Now keep on coming. Keep on going. He turns out the dumpster. He's tilted. Raptor.
Yep. Ready? Yep. Oh, shit! God damn it! You good? Get up! He's got a gun! He's got! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Fucking shit!
671, shots are fired. We need more cover.
Hang on, Tim! Good! He's running north! He's running north! Running north! He's gonna be running west through the complex, headed towards the David Busters.
Black male.
He dropped his gun over here by the building.
John, I'm east, I'm south, I'm where you at?
Don't you fucking move! Get on the ground now! One at gunpoint, west southwest corner. He's on a white shirt. But get on the fucking ground, face down! Don't you fucking move! He's behind the fences, or he's behind the building near the fence corner. You fucking flinch! I'll put a hole in you, motherfucker!
Start us an ambulance.
You fucking hit.
Yeah, he's hit.
God damn it.
Go get med kit.
Yeah. Where you hit at?
On the side.
Okay, hey. You got gloves, Kevin?
No.
Here. It's out there. You fucking... What is your name?
Eric.
Eric what?
Yeah, he's still just sitting by himself. Looks like he's on the phone. It is running though. Are they running? Do y'all want me to pull out ahead of y'all? You got a little more block as I pull in behind him or just follow behind?
We don't have time. We're coming in hot now.
Hold on, I'm a gun. I got mine out.
I'd say fall in behind him so that way he can't hit the go into reverse and go over that hump. We're pulling him now. Now keep on coming. Keep on going. He turns out the dumpster. He's tilted. Raptor.
Yep.
Ready?
Yep.
Oh, shit! God damn it! You good? Get out of the fucking truck! God! Turn the fucking gun! Good! running north! He's running north! He's gonna be running west through the complex, headed towards the David Buster. He's stopping. He's wearing all black jacket. He took off his hat. Black male. He dropped his gun over here.
By the building. John, I'm east of and south of where's he at?
Fuck.
Yeah, he's still just sitting there by himself. Looks like he's on the phone. Running though. Are they running? Do you want me to pull out ahead of him? Get a little more block as I'm pulling behind him, or just following behind?
I'd say falling behind so he can't.
Tell him we're pulling up.
I'd say falling behind him so that way he can't hit the go into reverse.
Alright, we're pulling up. We're pulling up.
We're pulling up now.
Alright, keep on coming. Keep on going. He turns off the dumpster. He's 2 over from the Blue Raptor.
Oh fuck, dude. There's on top of him. He's on top of him.
Oh shit. That's a ram.
Two on the ground.
Shots fired. Shots fired. Shots fired. Shots fired. Stay on the fucking ground. Don't fucking move. I don't go with Kevin now. He's got the shooter. Go. Don't fucking move. We got one more gun point, hang on. To the fucking ground. I'm not gonna beat it. I'm not gonna be aggressive, so I already told you. You already fucking were. Give me the other fucking hand. Shut up. Delta 684. Who shot at us? I don't know if I